Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Truman. This is my 4-seat mid-travel Volkswagen Turbo Dune Buggy. Today we're going to be pulling the motor out of it. It's kind of my first video. Traded my Jeep Wrangler for this thing. It's kind of hard to tell, but the case is cracked right there, and this piston is not moving. So we're going to pull everything off, take it down to a short block, pull it all apart, split the case, and find out what's wrong. So I've got a whole bunch of projects to do. Got to finish that Dune Buggy. Got a 400EX I need to make run right. Banshee that now needs rebuilt. A blaster that needs a transmission. So let's see what we can do. Alright, well the GoPro died, but I got everything off the block. You can see it wrecked it pretty good. But I'm gonna pull it out and then take it down, take the heads off and see what's wrong. Alright, so here's the case. I got it split, cleaned up, washed, everything. You can see it's chewed up pretty good. The main webs are cracked on both sides. Some of the lifter bores are smashed or broken and oblonged. We were just gonna weld it up or have somebody weld it up and run it, but if we're gonna have 10 to 15 pounds of boost in it, probably don't really want to have a broken case like that. So we got most of the parts cleaned up. I got a new case ordered, so it should be here in about a week, and then I'll film putting it together. So stay tuned.